Is your Audi A3 key fob not working? First, determine if the issue is a dead battery. The A3 key fob uses a CR23-2 battery. Pry open the fob carefully with a coin or screwdriver and replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity. Ensure correct polarity when inserting the new battery. The fob may need to be resynchronized with your car. This often happens after a battery replacement or software update. A receiver reset may be required to clear any signal interference. To synchronize your Audi A3 key fob, try holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously inside the vehicle. Some models require using the MMI under Vehicle Settings, then Key and Locks. Follow the on-screen prompts to reprogram the fob. If synchronization fails, a receiver reset might be necessary. This can involve cycling the ignition or using an OBD2 scanner to clear faults. For models with proximity keys from 2015 and later, ensure the fob is within 3 to 5 feet of the door handle. If problems continue, professional diagnostics may be needed.